Hello everyone, welcome to another video by Knowledgeification. Today we'll be learning how to use ChatGPT to the fullest of your potential. So it can be used for productivity. I'll teach you how to use it for productivity. So let's get started. So first log into your account and let's get started. So this is ChatGPT. All your chats will be coming here and all that. So first way you can use ChatGPT is to get notes for your chapters. Let's say so I'm in ninth grade, and for history I want notes for my chapter, the French Revolution. So what I'd simply do is I'll just say generate notes for French Revolution. NCERT, grade 9. So it just simply generates all the notes I want for my chapter. So I can just go ahead and paste these in my Notion account over here. So yeah, you can use ChatGPT in that. I suppose many people use it, and also you can make cheat codes. Cheat sheets. Generate a cheat sheet for these notes. So you get all the main points here. So yeah, you can use it like that. You can ask ChatGPT to create presentations for you. Let's say generate a presentation on this chapter. So you can use this for your school projects. Get an A for sure. Once you get the entire slide, you can go to PowerPoint web. I'll just open that. Just a second. So you go to PowerPoint web, and you can continue, and you can start making your presentation over here. So that's very useful for. That's how you can use ChatGPT maybe. Also, you can use ChatGPT to give you questions. Give me questions from the chapter. So you can use these questions, write the answers, and then check the answers which the ChatGPT gives you back once it gives you a question. So give me the answers. So now you can check the answers of what you have done. Now you get a clear understanding of how much you know, how much you don't know, how much to study, etc., etc. Now I have all the answers, so I'm clear. You can ask ChatGPT to create questions, short questions for your flashcards. Let's say, give me questions in form of flashcards. Question, answer, like that. Simple questions and answers. You can write them down on your flashcards. I'm sure everybody knows how to use ChatGPT in this format. But ChatGPT can also be used to learn a language. Let's say generate me basics of Norwegian language. Now you can learn a lot of words from ChatGPT. You can learn the language. You can use ChatGPT in such a way. You can even talk to ChatGPT in different languages. Let's say let's have a conversation in Norwegian. Let's have a basic conversation. In this language. So you can do that and you can learn language. Perfect. Get answers for your question answers. So I have my history textbook right here. Over here at the end of every chapter we get question answers. So now I don't know an answer for a few questions. I can just ask ChatGPT to generate me answers for such questions. So that is very helpful from ChatGPT. See, like questions, describe the circumstances leading to the outbreak of revolutionary protest in France. So I can just put in the question and I'll get my answer. So I can get my answer from ChatGPT. So it's giving me the answer. So I can just copy these down in my notebook. Please don't do that. Your teacher might get angry. So once you get your answer, what you want to do is you want to shorten the answer because ChatGPT gives really long answers you do not want to write in your notebook. So short the answer. Now what you want to do with this answer is you go to Google and you type paraphraser. Paraphrasing tool. You go to any any good paraphrasing tool, paste the text. So, and paraphrase. Now you will want to copy you just take the text and you write it in your notebook. Now that it's paraphrased, your teacher will not know that you've got it from ChatGPT. Pretty smart. That's what I've done millions of times, never got caught. So that's how you can use ChatGPT to do your assignments, essays, and everything. You can ask ChatGPT for productivity tips. Let's say I am procrastinating a lot. Now ChatGPT will generate me tips for procrastinating. So you can use ChatGPT for your productivity essentials, everything. You can also ask it to where you can get some productivity materials. Let's say I want some highlighters. I want really good highlighter pens. So now I can take the best quality ones which are good and cheap. So ChatGPT will just give me, it's basically your own helper where you get anything from everywhere around the World Wide Web. So make sure you use it to its fullest extent so that you know. Well, that's all for today. We will continue in our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share.